सो स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैल्सिफिकेशन के बारे में। कैल्सिफिकेशन जनरली पैथोलॉजिकल होती है, ठीक है। और अगर कैल्सिफिकेशन होगी तो वो किस एनवायरनमेंट में होती है? जनरली एल्कलाइन एनवायरनमेंट में होती है। सो एल्कलाइन एनवायरनमेंट इज नीडेड, एल्कलाइन एनवायरनमेंट is needed or required for calcification. And now they can ask you calcification कहाँ होगी, सेल में कहाँ होती है? तो generally calcification occurs in mitochondria. It occurs in mitochondria. Calcification occur here. Now there is one exception. What is that exception? Except in kidney. अगर हम किडनी की बात करें तो वहाँ पे जो कैल्सिफिकेशन है जनरली बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन में होती है। कहाँ होती है? कैल्सिफिकेशन occurs in basement membrane. ओके, जनरली हमने कैल्सिफिकेशन को बोला कि वो पैथोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस है। तो ये जो पैथोलॉजिकल कैल्सिफिकेशन है इसको फर्दर हमने दो टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया है। सो व्हाट इज द टू टाइप्स ऑफ कैल्सिफिकेशन? टाइप्स ऑफ कैल्सिफिकेशन। The first type is dystrophic calcification, and the second one is what? That is metastatic calcification. Metastatic calcification. Now see, what is dystrophic calcification? So यहाँ पे जो सीरम कैल्शियम लेवल है, डिस्ट्रॉफिक कैल्सिफिकेशन में जो सीरम कैल्शियम लेवल होता है वो नॉर्मल होता है। बट जहाँ पे ये कैल्सिफिकेशन होती है, जो भी टिश्यू में ये कैल्सिफिकेशन होगी वो टिश्यू क्या होता है? एबनॉर्मल। सो सी, सीरम कैल्शियम इन डिस्ट्रॉफिक कैल्सिफिकेशन इज नॉर्मल, वेयर एज वी टॉक अबाउट द टिश्यू where it is occurring, that is abnormal. That is abnormal tissue. Okay? तो डिस्ट्रॉफिक कैल्सिफिकेशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? इट इज द कैल्सिफिकेशन दैट इज अकरिंग इन द डेड टिश्यू. ओके, सो राइट हियर it is the calcification occurring in dead tissue. Now the second calcification is the metastatic calcification. Here if you see the serum calcium level, this serum calcium level is increased, but if we talk about the tissue where it is occurring, that tissue is normal, absolutely normal. Okay, so one more thing, don't confuse this metastatic calcification with metastasis. Okay, it has no link with the metastasis. Now see, in case of dystrophic calcification, what is the example where you can find the dystrophic calcification? So for this you have to remember one mnemonic, that is art. Now what is this art? See, A is for what? A is for atherosclerosis. It is R is for what? That is rheumatic nodules. R is for rheumatic nodules. And T is for tumor. Now, in tumors, you generally gonna see one structure, that is soma bodies. What is that? Samoma bodies. Now, what are these samoma bodies? Generally, these are the calcified structure that are present in the tumor cell. These are what? These are the calcified structure present in tumor cell. Okay. Now, in which kind of tumors you're gonna find these samoma bodies? The first example of this is the papillary. It is found where? Papillary tumors. Second, this soma body is also seen with serous tumors. Third, you're gonna see these bodies with meningiomas. Okay, meningiomas. So, इसको याद करने के लिए you can remember the mnemonic PSM. Okay. So, this is all about the dystrophic calcification. Now comes to metastatic calcification. Here I have already told you the tissue is normal, but the serum calcium level is elevated. Now, the first condition where you are going to see metastatic calcification is, it is vitamin D related disease. It is vitamin D related disease. Like, take the example of sarcoidosis. In sarcoidosis, the levels of vitamin D increases. So, sarcoidosis. Okay. Secondly, it is seen with hyperparathyroidism, mainly primary hyperparathyroidism. And this is the most common cause of metastatic calcification. Primary hyperthyroidism is the most common cause where you can find this metastatic calcification. Okay. And one thing more you have to remember about this primary hyperparathyroidism, they can ask you why this primary parathyroidism is occurring. So the most common cause of this is parathyroid adenoma. So the most common cause is parathyroid adenoma. So got it? Most common cause of metastatic calcification is primary hyperparathyroidism, whereas the most common cause of primary hyperparathyroidism is what? That is parathyroid adenoma. Third condition where you're going to see this metastatic calcification, that is milk alkali syndrome. Okay. You can also see this with vitamin A toxicity. Okay. Now, what are the sites where you're going to find this metastatic calcification? So, sites or location of metastatic calcification. So, the first site is the pulmonary vessels. Pulmonary vessels. Second one is lungs. And the third one is gastric mucosa. So these are some locations where you can find the metastatic calcification. You can also add one more, that is kidney. Okay, kidney mein you can also see. But remember this, just highlight this point. You are never gonna see metastatic calcification in parathyroid gland. We told the most common cause of this is primary hyperparathyroidism. but you're not gonna see calcium deposition in parathyroid gland. So, not seen in parathyroid gland. Okay, so this is all about the calcification. Thank you.